we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So, you want to create yourself a new scene, whatever you want to call it. Just call it whatever you like. Gaming scene. If you're a gamer like myself, just call it gaming. You don't see my face, of course, because we're in a new scene. So we're gonna go ahead and add that actually. By the way, I'll just add my 16 camera right here, just to show you guys what we're doing. But first off, you want to go. Okay, hold on. Pause. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I had to add the display capture just to show you guys what I'm doing, so you guys are not getting confused. But first, what I said is you have to go to browser. You can just call it Workbox here. Workbox. Or something like that. It's already have an alert box. But if you want to copy one of these services I used to use Streamlabs. So that's the one I used to use when I actually used it. But first, you want to go to widget URL. You want to copy it to OBS. If you're on Streamlabs desktop, you don't have to worry about that. But if you're using OBS, you have to copy this widget right here. Then you go to paste this. And make sure you have it on Control Audio Vita OBS. And make sure these are also turned on as well, just to save a little bit of resources. Because definitely, browser sources could definitely eat your CPU. So you could just put it like right here. And then make sure you have in your properties, advanced audio properties is where you have to go. And make sure this is on monitor and output. Definitely put it on monitor and output so your so your viewers can hear your alerts, that you can also hear your alerts on your VODs. So make sure that monitor and output is turned on. And then make sure to adjust the volume so it's not a little bit too loud, so it's not going over your microphone. So definitely keep it at a little bit of a decent alert. So I'm going to actually play one for you. So we're going to test it. Follow. So there you go. There's the alert, even though it's a Christmas one. But that's how you actually add an alert. For Streamlabs if you do Twitch. But yeah, there is that as well. Just to teach you how to add an alert for OBS. But I really hope this video definitely does help you out. You can also do something as well if you're also a multi-streamer. I also use Botrix as well. Botrix is also another one I use to get the alerts to work. So if you are new to multi-streaming, this is definitely an easier tool for you. So definitely go and copy and paste it. And I'm going to make a new browser source. Alert box. Box. Then you just go ahead and paste it once again. Make sure Control Audio Viva OBS is turned on. Make sure all these are on. Then you just drag into place where whatever you want to put it. And then, like I said, go to Advanced Audio Properties again. Then make sure it's on monitor and output. Then just adjust your volume so it's not too loud over your microphone. And go to Botrix, play an alert. And there you go. But I really hope this video definitely did help you out. If it did, definitely go and hit that subscribe button so you guys will never miss any of these content creation tutorial videos or ever videos that I make on the All Things Zilla YouTube channel. Uploads. Be sure to also hit that like button also as well, and be sure to also comment down below of what you got, if I did an actual good job on this content creation tutorial. And hopefully it definitely finds your interest helpful. But anyways, I really appreciate all of you guys watching this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Gamer Away here, and I will see you guys in the next video.